Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blueduck token. Ticker symbol is Bduck. Now this is a brand new meme coin on the Solana blockchain that basically just got put into the launchpad list on Pinksale.finance. Pre-sale doesn't start for like 6 days, so you got a lot of time to go check this token out before the pre-sale starts. It's going to be a public pre-sale. They have a full audit, they have a KYC, they have a Seifu badge, all sorts of good security badges on there. We're going to go over the information on the Blueduck token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is blueducksoul.com. It says Blueduck is more than just a token. It's an ambitious and playful community experiment designed to embody the decentralized and participatory nature of cryptocurrencies. Blueduck is entirely community driven. We relinquish tool control of the token, allowing its direction and development to be guided by our lovely Blueduck holders. So why Blueduck? Well, the sensation that's making waves in the crypto world, born from a top secret laboratory where mad scientists mixed blueberries with rubber ducks, it paddled its way through the blockchain, causing a splash. With feathers as rare as moon rocks, its value soared as high as the duck's flight. Now, on their webpage, blueducksoul.com, if you scroll down, you can find a document section. It's going to have tons of info here on this token. It's a Git book. It'll take you over to blueduck.gitbook.io. So it's designed to reflect the decentralized and participatory nature of cryptocurrencies. Blueduck is entirely community driven. We relinquish full control over the token, leaving the direction and development in the hands of our lovely Blueduck holders. Inspired by the spirit of meme coins, Blueduck brings a touch of humor and whimsy to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. But make no mistake, behind its playful appearance lies serious ambitions. Blueduck aims to create a space where the community can engage, collaborate, and innovate while exploring the endless possibilities of the Solana blockchain. By choosing Solana as the underlying blockchain, Blueduck benefits from its speed, low transaction fees, and scalability. This means that our adorable Blueduck can swim freely through the crypto ecosystem without worrying about the congestion of high fees. Join us on this creative adventure. Together we will push the boundaries of community and cryptocurrency. We will see you in the blue waters. Remember, stay blue, stay decentralized, and stay united. Now, this pre-sale here, they have a full audit. First of all, they were audited by Analytics Audit. You can find that on their Pinksale page. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a Seifu badge by Coinbase, which means they passed a certain criteria to be called Seifu. This is a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist. Max buy is 50 SOL. Ticker symbol is Bduck. 9 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Soft cap for the pre-sale is 100 SOL. Start time for the pre-sale is April 28th at 14 hours UTC time. And it's going to run for a while. Looks like almost like a week here. And it's going to finish May 5th, 14 hours UTC time. So you got a lot of time before the pre-sale starts. And then the pre-sale is going to go for like a full week. And if you do end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be going over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Solflare wallet or your Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you used for Sol. Fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Baby Duck token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, blueducksol.com. Did I say Baby Duck? I just did. It's Blueduck, not Baby Duck. But yeah, blueducksol.com. Over there you can find a Sol scan, so that's going to have the contract address on there. Right now you can find a link to the pre-sale. You can also find a DEX screener link for when this when this token goes live on Raydium. You'll be able to see the chart on DEX screener, DEX tools, Birdeye as well. They also have a Twitter and Telegram linked on there. Their Telegram is at Blueduck Fam. They have 288 members on there, 22 online. So you can check out that. And then their Twitter, as usual, I'm going to put up right here on the screen. Blue verified checkmark at Blueducksol. They have a full link tree right there. They just joined in March 2024. Brand new project. Only 7 tweets so far. 269 subscribers. And besides that, they have a pie chart on here. It says 60.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 34.49% of the tokens go to liquidity. 5% go to central exchange listings. It says Blueduck's mission is to become the first meme coin on the Solana blockchain to achieve a significant scale while remaining true to its core value, being united and transparent for the community. They have a roadmap on here starting with community building, community events, giveaways, website development, social media, pre-launch marketing activities, partnerships, first audit of the contract, start the pre-sale on Pinksale, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, DEX screener, DEX tools, Birdeye, launch of marketing campaigns, partnerships, end of giveaways, launch on decentralized exchanges, new partnerships, centralized exchange listings, audit by Certic, launch of the Blueduck NFTs, launch of the minigame, cooperate with meme coin projects, and implementation of Bduck donation system for animal protection associations. So they're going to give to charity in their last phase of the roadmap there. But go check out this pre-sale. You still got about 6 days until it starts. So let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.